about
about
what?
5 ways to say thank you.
We have ways for saying thank you, like we have ways for making apologies, and we took the top 5 phrases in Arabic. We have also ways for saying thank you. So here we are going to do what? We are going to differentiate between several ways of saying thank you. Number 1, we are going to use good manners to thank people. Okay, you in the top 5 phrases, we what did we do? We mentioned that one of the ways for saying thank you is what? Shukran. Jazilan. But here we are going to widen this, widen the talking about the ways for saying thank you. Okay, so let's now introduce the ways for saying thank you. What's the informal way, guys, for saying thank you?
Shukran.
Shukran. It's easy.
It's a casual way. طيب, when we can use this word shukran?
When we're in a restaurant or shops or like anywhere.
Or when someone gives
maybe
you
you
an
are at
item,
school, your
shukran.
friend gave you something, you tell him casually shukran. You don't have to say shukran jazilan, yeah? So this is
Yeah.
the first
Yeah.
way. So shukran, sha, this is sha, then ka, then ra, a, and 2 lines. It makes shukran, okay?
Why does it have the long line? Then it's gonna be shukran.
Because no, it's not shukran. Which word do you hear at the end? Which letter do you hear at the end?
Ra.
No, when you say shukran, ne.
Na.
Na. As I said in the video, this na is pronounced, but it's not written. Instead of this na, you put this a and 2 lines. We call it tanween.
Yeah, I know that sign.
Okay?
But why did they put the line still?
You mean for the 2 lines? This is called tanween. This tanween.
No, I know that those 2 lines. Why does it have a long a at the end?
Because it's a rule in Arabic. After you put this 2 lines, you put after it an a. It's a rule. It's a spelling rule.
Okay.
Okay, so this because you put it instead, because this na is pronounced but it's not written. Okay?
Okay. Now I understand.
Okay. Now, what's the second way?
Shukran jazilan. Thank you so much.
Okay, shukran jazilan. When can we use shukran jazilan according to your background knowledge of watching the video?
Someone's gratitude.
What? Showing gratitude, but give me examples from daily life.
Oh, okay. Like my classmate in the school gives me a envelope to invite him for lunch. I say shukran jazilan.
Someone in your school invited you for lunch. When you go to his home, you will say to him shukran jazilan because he invited you. Okay, what else? Carla, do you have any other idea?
Yes, like someone like gives you a pencil or something, then you say shukran jazilan.
No, here don't not necessary to say shukran jazilan. Be casual here. Not it's for we have to use shukran jazilan if there's a formal situation, like when someone invites you to lunch or to dinner or whatever. So here you use shukran jazilan because it's more formal than when you are in the school and someone giving you something. Okay.
Okay.
What else? طيب, let's assume Christian was the first in class and Carlo was the second, and Carlo was the second, and the school decided to honor you. When your principal gives you the report card or something that represents your that you are a student who excelled in his grades. What should you say to your principal here?
شكرا جزيلا.
So here, as you said, you use shukran jazilan when thanking someone when they invite you to lunch or dinner, or informal situations like the situation that I mentioned. Or maybe you were in a certain conference and you were saying a word there, and you were honored by the manager of the or the those who organized this conference because you are a famous person, for example. It's يعني use it in formal situations like the situations I mentioned. Also when writing a thank you noted, you see this, guys?
Yes, sorry.
It's when writing a thank you noted. What do you mean by writing a
Yes,
thank
can
you
you please
noted?
say? Can you please say it again?
What do you mean by writing a thank you noted?
That means. Sorry, I cannot hear you very well.
I say, what do you mean by writing a thank you note?
Like when someone is inviting you to a party, then gives you an envelope or something.
No, thank you note is not. For example, if someone is
Oh
in.
yeah, like someone gives you a pencil or something.
No. Thank you note. It's a note, a message. Goes from the
Sorry,
message.
I'm just a little bit confused.
Huh?
I'm just a little bit confused about the lesson.
Confused about the lesson? I can't hear you. Carlo, what did you say, dear?
When you want to thank someone for doing something
Yeah, look here.
or giving you something, sorry.
Let me explain to you more, Carlo. Let's assume you are in Lebanon and your friend sent you a gift from there. Okay, it happens from outside, from Serbia, from Croatia. طيب. Won't you write for him a thank you note because he sent you this gift?
Yes.
Okay, so what do you use here? What do you say to him? Do you say only shukran jazilan or shukran? What do you say? Do we say shukran jazilan or shukran in this
Only
case?
you
شكرا
say,
جزيلا.
Okay. So, till now, what are the two ways for saying thank you, guys? Yalla, say them to me.
Sorry, miss, what did you say?
What are the two ways for saying thank you till now?
شكرا and شكرا جزيلا.
طيب, yalla, Carlo, tell me when do we use shukran jazilan? Give me one way of the ways.
shukran. We use shukran jazilan to
You can give me a real life example.
to thank when someone gives me something, I thank them.
Give me
Shukran,
something.
and then I
But
thank.
is it a normal thing? يعني he gives you a pen or gives you something, or he sends you مثلا a gift from outside. He gives you money, for example, from outside. He sent you
No,
money.
when you're very grateful, you say it.
Yes, exactly. What other way, yeah, Christian?
To write a thank you. To like write the thank you note.
He
When
said
someone
it.
does something for you.
Yes, writing a thank you note. But what other way? You said it from 10 minutes ago.
And someone like sent me an envelope to lunch. It's just
An
شكرا جزيلا.
invitation, you mean? He sent you an invitation to lunch.
Yeah.
Exactly. He sent you an invitation to lunch. Okay. And when you get what? Also the third way. What's the third way? Remember, about I illustrated this by talking about you.
بارك الله فيك.
No, 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 no.
Which is God bless
No,
you.
we are still in saying thank you so much, but there's a third way, third step. We use it for when someone invites you. We use it in thank you notes, and we use it also in what? Assuming when you are in when you Carlo is the first in class and Christian in the second in class, how can we illustrate thank you in this case? Thank you so much. Why should you say to this person shukran jazilan? How do we illustrate this in a formal situation when you are the first in class and Carlo is the second? Can you do this in a formal situation by giving me an example?
I don't know what.
How could you be? How could the school honor you by being the first in class or the second, the first person who got the best grade in class?
Like
They might arrange what? Yeah. Didn't I say that they might arrange a ceremony in order to honor the outstanding students? When they honor you, the outstanding students, when the principal gives you, because the principal gave you something here, he honored you. Should you say only here to him, be casual or formal in this case? What, guys? You should be casual or formal?
formal.
Exactly. Did you get it?
Yes, now.
Okay. Now let's continue. The third way for saying thank you is what? Carlo?
Yes.
What's the third way for saying thank you?
Barakallahu fik.
Barakallahu fik is what, Carlo? Let's understand it. What is God?
God bless you.
What is God?
God is God.
Yes. From this word, from this phrase.
Lahu
Allah, yes. God is Allah. Bless is what?
is
Baraka.
baraka.
And you is fik. Fika or fik, it depends on what? It depends on whom you're talking to. When do we use barakallahu fik?
We use it when someone goes like above or beyond the call
It's
of
more
being
than being
kind.
kind. It's more, you are extremely kind. You are extremely grateful to someone. Okay? Okay? Type. Carlo, I illustrate this through an example when someone is extremely kind to you. When you are at school, guys, when you are at school, and you notice that today you forgot your money at home, and you know when you are at school and you have many periods, you feel hungry because you don't have because you have many periods, and you will feel tired if you don't eat. But you found, Carlo, that today you don't have money. Today you don't have money. Okay, your friend came and lent you money. You borrowed money from your friend because he gave you money. Should you say here, how is your friend acting out in this case? How is he being?
Like being too kind.
Too kind. So what should you say to your friend here, Carlo, as a way for saying thank you?
We should say God bless you.
Which is in Arabic. I care mostly in Arabic. What do you say?
Barakallahu fiki.
If he's a boy, you say barakallahu fik. If she's a girl, you say barakallahu fiki. Clear?
Clear.
So this we use it when you are extremely kind. Okay?
Okay.
we still have these two words or two phrases. Thanks for coming. When do we use this?
Like when someone is leaving, then you say thanks for coming, or when somebody is coming in. Yeah,
Or
somebody
you
is
may
leaving.
be, Carlo, you may be inviting someone to your lunch and you thanked him for coming, yeah?
Yeah,
What
yeah,
does
like
thanks
that.
for coming means?
Shukran ala kudumika orki.
Yes,
There,
exactly.
this word was a little bit complicated.
What is thanks?
Thanks is
Shukran.
Shukran. Okay. What
yeah.
is for?
Ala.
Ala.
What is coming?
Kudumika or kudumiki.
Exactly. It was a little bit hard for writing it or saying it.
For
For
saying
saying it.
Oh, okay. Type the fifth way and the last way. What is it?
Thanks a lot for your help.
When do we use it?
Like when you're, how can you say, like when you're struggling, then
Yeah.
a friend, and then someone comes and helps you, then you say thanks a lot for your help.
What is thanks a lot?
Shukran jazilan.
What is for? The
No.
same as
Ala.
ala, your help.
مساعدتك.
مساعدتك. Okay? So, مساعدة is help, okay? Because you have your
Okay.
help, you know that your takes ka or ki. Your takes ka or ki. So that's why you say مساعدتك or مساعدتك, okay?
Okay.
So, yalla, Christian, list for me the 5 ways for saying thank you. And then Carlo will come after you. Yalla.
First one is shukran.
Yes.
The second one is shukran jazilan.
Yes.
Third one is barakallahu feek. I mean barakallahu feek. Shukran ala kudumika or kudumiki. And shukran jazilan ala musa'adatik.
Okay. So, Carlo. Yalla, Carlo.
Yes.
Start.
First we have shukran. Then we
Shukran,
have
you be casual or formal, dear?
Informal.
Informal, exactly. Continue.
Shukran jazilan. I mean, it's hard for me to say the last words.
Shukran jazilan. Let's take God bless you. God bless you.
Barak.
Yes,
Barak.
baraka. Yes.
Baraka. Allahu fik.
Exactly, bravo. When do we use God bless you?
When someone is giving you like way more kind than other people.
He's extremely kind. What's the other two words in Arabic, in English? I mean, the other ways for saying thank you.
Shukran ala musadaki.
مساعدتك tick. At the end, it's tick. TikTok. مساعدتك. What is شكرا على مساعدتك?
That means thanks for your help.
Exactly. And we said we still have thanks for coming.
Thanks for coming is shukran ala kudumika.
Okay, bravo, excellent. How was the lesson now?
It was a little bit hard, a little bit easy.
For me, it's easy.
It became easy now, huh? After illustration.
Yeah.
Let's do the revision worksheet. The revision worksheet will make the lesson much what?
Clear.
Much clear. Did you do the worksheet by yourself?
Yes.
That's good. That's good from you. As usual, being the first one to do everything and following all your lectures, I'm so happy.
We are also.
And this way, we understand the lessons more when the lecture is shorter.
Yes.
Yeah. Let's go to the lesson. Yalla, let's start with the first one.
Okay.
Yeah, let's start with Carlo. Carlo, read the given. Circle the correct answer. Read the first given. Yalla, Carlo.
Okay, wait, in English or in Arabic?
In Arabic, and you choose in English, okay? Yalla, Carlo. Go ahead.
Wait, teacher, this first question, do I read it in English or in Arabic?
In English.
Oh, okay. Diana was invited by her friend Layla to the lunch.
Yes.
Diane in her turn thanked Leia for her invitation. What does she say to her? She says shukran jazilan.
Why does she say shukran jazilan? Can you comment here? Why is she saying here shukran jazilan, not shukran?